How to make split screen videos on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now you will land to the home page. At the bottom you will find different icons. Tap on this +1 icon given at the bottom middle. Now your gallery will open up. At the bottom right you will find different options. Head towards this option of Reels. Tap on it. Now your camera will open up. At the left corner you will find different icons. Tap on this one icon, layout, and you can see that my screen has been split. My screen has been split vertically. Now all you have to do is tap on this white icon to record it. In the case you want to split your screen horizontally, tap on this one icon, select this one, layout, and here you go. This is how you can easily make split screen videos on Instagram Reels. Now all you have to do is tap on this white icon and record it. Here I will show you. Record for the first part and then record the another part in this way. And my video is ready. This is how you can easily make split screen videos on Instagram Reels. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.